Hello everybody and welcome back to the Data IO 29B service episode 1.5. This is a quick little brain fart moment. I have the capacitors out and we have a couple issues going on here. Capacitors came out really easy and clean. You see, I haven't cleaned up the flux mess yet, but the 5600 here has 15 millimeter spacing and an 18 millimeter spacing. I thought it was 10, and the only thing I could find in a 56-100 close enough to the 5275, which has 3 pins, had 10 millimeter spacing. In a Nishikon, only 85C. I was hoping to get something 105C, but nope. And I could not find this in 15 millimeter or 18 millimeter spacing. So there is a way we're going to have to do this unless somebody out there knows of a brand of good quality that has an 18 millimeter spacing or a 15 millimeter lead spacing. Let me know. What we can do is you have that little A there, A plus, so you got plus and minus, so we can go from here to here. Let's throw that in here. It'll fit right there, no problem. It fits, and then we can run a bodge from here to there. Get the pointer from here to there, run a bodge. I don't think that's going to be a problem. We could probably do a different configuration. I'll figure out what's best, but that'll work. So every other capacitor fits fine. There'll be a lot more room, a little bit more airflow. The service change notice is the 29B filter board to correct a long-term problem with secondary fuses blowing. This change applies to both the older and newer filter boards. And this is a newer filter board. Oop, this is the older 7011672. So yeah, I was right. So this has had some modifications. Some of these service bulletins are already done in here. So it says to basically remove fuse 2, which is a 10 amp, and short it. Fuses 1, 3, 4, 5, they were a 3 amp, to short those. 6 and 7 go to a 5 amp. So fuse 2 would be here. Look at those vintage fuse holders. Ain't those trippy? So fuse 2, we're going to short that one. Then fuse 1, 3, 4, 5, and then brain fart moment. I just went off the schematic and I ordered 3 amp fuses. I did not notice that fuse 6 and 7 were switched to a 5 amp, so I only got 3 amp fuses. So I will need to make another order and get 5 amp fuses. So I will definitely be revisiting this power supply. And I don't know, maybe I should do a check on these and see how really bad these capacitors are. But that was episode 1.5, and we'll be back with episode, hopefully not 1.75, but episode 2, disassembled. We'll catch y'all later.